doesn't look like a good. Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of J Vlogs. So I'm currently in New York, drive down from Connecticut. I'm going to a first Gold Cup match in Orlando. So I'm going to Orlando, flight leaving in few. I'm supposed to be boarding next. See my outfit there. My Jamaica. Don't know, I represent Jamaica, so I just, you know, be vlogging this. Hope you guys enjoy it, and just, you know, this whole environment in the stadium. As you can see, it's Corona time, we're traveling still, and we're in the airport. As you can see behind me, it is packed. My gate is there. Yeah, but in China airport you can't really take off the mask much, but yeah, yeah, earcut on fleek and thing. But yeah, so our first flight since 2019, so, you know, kind of feel nervous. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs, and hopefully I can board on the plane soon. It's a whole lot of people, it's going to be a full flight, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs. So hopefully we can do some plane spotting in the meantime. But yeah, enjoy. So super. Oh no, man, it won't.
Small items must be placed under the seat in front of you. The overhead bin spaces are reserved for rollaboard items.
Alright guys, so I'm in the plane right now. The departure kind of delay a bit, or set back a bit. It's a full flight again, so a lot of people will be coming in, packing up bags in the ceiling and stuff, so it's a bit hectic. Yeah, but so far so good, so I'll show you guys a little bit of that. How far reach I left on the island? Hey, so like you're on the way, dude. You just keep following the GPS, yeah.
Just make sure your nose is all the way covered for me, sir. Thank you.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
2. Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of Central Florida, what a welcome you. If you're a visitor,
yeah, the thing they trade the airport, big man. I have different section. So it's like you have to take some train. Eh?
But all of our restaurants are there.
Yeah man, the place big man. Train you have to take to reach over the next part. Dang. Now you say the terminal A, right?
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. When the APM stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage.
You walk with the crowd, terminals, your luggage. And ground transportation. Escalator, baggage claim, ground transportation. And you say level 3 at it, right? A level 3? You dream? Where you say the level 3, right? A level 3? Oh, yeah man, yeah. What kind of car? Car miss. Alright, sorry. Now come out and now, level 3. Yeah. But the outside. Outside the bottom part or top part? We're about to go to the Gold Cup. Hello. Who do I show the tickets to? Let's go to. Okay. Cool. There we go. Yeah, man, I have a common phone. Oh.
Just the bag is.
Hello.
Hi.
I have 2 tickets.
They don't. You're welcome. For some reason they're not allowing cameras in.
What? You gotta use your phone only. Got a Gold Cup. Man in on the field. Come on, man. Like the show. Stadium the body, man. I'll see here. Respect. 30-minute clip. Terragon! Terragon! Man, they must sit back in them off, you know, man.
Que tomen parte en el fútbol con espíritu de unidad, respeto e igualdad. Digan no a la discriminación. Fans, be sure to visit Amazon.com/CONCACAF to shop your favorite team gear. Aficionados, asegúrense de visitar Amazon.com/CONCACAF para comprar el producto oficial de tu equipo favorito. Bell. Damas y caballeros, la reina amarilla, número 4 de Jamaica, Manny Bell.
Yeah, man. No. The number 7 is the best thing, you know. So.
That's it, man. Yeah, man. Clear out there.
Yeah, man.
Clear out. Go in, yeah. Nice. Turn flamer, good. Well done, man. Not ball. Boy, get that in a fisher. M.Y. M.Y. run, man. How him go a while ago?
Man said 10 years ago.
I bet you run and slide in and it slide left, you know. You give up. Well time.
But the thing is, him give up before he ever try.
Yeah. Watch it. Oh, it bunks man for him. Young boy, man. And some stamina.
There's a bounce off my man in the rock school. Watch out.
4 minutes not done yet. Come on, 4 minutes done in here. 4 minutes are done.
So it was a good match. Enjoyed it. First time in the stadium. I think the stadium is really nice. The Reggae Boys played good. It was a two-love victory to the Reggae Boys. Proud I had 3 points in the bag in the group stages. We have 2 more matches to go against Costa Rica and Guadeloupe. So looking forward to that as well. And with us there, you know what I mean?
Andrew there.
Yeah, man. Dre, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah,
we're there, represent the Reggae Boys. You don't know, come away with three
important
points. You know?
Yeah,
that's
man,
what's important. Yeah, we're there, you know, support them and things. So thanks for watching J Vlogs. I'm out.
Hi guys, so this is like a hotel room tour. So it might be a little bit dark, but we have the nice painting on the wall. Just come from the matchway. Have a nice mirror right there. Reggae Boys, come on boys. Alright, have a nice room. It's very fancy, quite fancy. Kind of echo. One nice king size bed right there. Room is kind of dark. I guess it's saving on energy. A nice little area right here for coffee and water with a mirror as well. Hey Shucks. Yeah, I'm at the hotel room. Babe, the bathroom is beautiful. The bathroom is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna vlog it. Cool. Let's see.